All right, tonight is shoulder night. We're working on boulder shoulders, man. So we're gonna do some just real basic movements. And so we started that off with some old school, with an old school movement on the hammer strength machine. We went front military presses with a 4 set of 10. We moved on to the upright row. One of my favorite movements for shoulders. It's just really nice and controlled movement on the way down. I feel like it's one of the best movements for shoulders to help separate and create striations in the shoulders and in the deltoids. But we did a superset of truck drivers, not heavy weight, doesn't take a lot of weight when you're doing truck drivers. So we used a 25-pound plate, about 6 reps. That's it. That is it for today's video. I know it was a little bit different than what you're used to with it being a workout, but do us a favor, leave some comments if you'd like to see more action of working out, fitness related type videos. Let us know in the comments. Thanks a lot, guys.